Hi, I'm Richard from Beach Consultants and welcome to Builders Tech. Today we're going to have a look at Bluebeam and something that Bluebeam can do especially for the crane industry. Now, how could a PDF reader really help the crane industry? Well, just have a look as we go through some of the tools that are available and how we can group those tools together and make something very powerful. So let's open up Bluebeam. Here we have an interface page. So what we want to have a look at today is something useful for crane drivers to be able to use, the cranies. Let's open up this building plan. So Builder sent us a plan. Here we have a site. Now on this site here, you may notice that we have an entry at the front here. We also have access down this side here because there's a driveway here and a driveway here. So, you know, on a typical plan, double-story plan like this, the building has quite a few steels in it that need to go in, and perhaps if we had a look at the other plan, we could work out where they are exactly. But there's a steel bar through here. We have steel bar through here, one through there. We have steel bar through here and here, and another one through about here somewhere. And then similar on this, we've actually got one through here in the garage, one through here in the garage, and then there's another one that is sort of here somewhere. You can finish this wall off, and there's one through here somewhere like that. So there's quite a few steels that go up there. Now they're too heavy to lift by hand, so that's obvious. So what do we do? Well, firstly, what we need to do is we use some of the tools that Bluebeam has. Let's just move across here a little bit. Perhaps what we do then is, okay, so we want to put a crane in. So we've got a small crane, 15 metre reach. It's probably adequate for doing this sort of a job. Let's just draw ourselves a little box here. So there's the first part. That's our crane area, and it's within the area of the building. To change our scale down a little bit, which will be helpful because then we can see the whole site. I'll put our crane back on here again. You can see the one I've made is pretty close to the one that's already there. Click it in place. Okay, so that'll cover the first two units. What about the rest of this job? I'll have a look back at the back of it now. We can click it about there. It also means that what we're going to need to do is put a third move in to get to that back unit. So once again, we've got space in here, so click it there. So now let's have a look at that overall plan. We'll reduce it down. So you can see now exactly what I'm talking about. You've got your 15 metre circle, 10 metre circle, 5 metre circle, three pieces, three moves to be able to crane in the steel on the job. So pretty much you know that that crane will do this job. Don't have to go out to the site, and that's going to save you a lot of time just by having this tool available. If you're interested in Bluebeam, please contact me at Beach Consultants, and thanks for joining us at Builders Tech today.